How to use Winget Upgrade to update apps on Windows. The Windows Package Manager, Winget, is a powerful tool that allows you to install, manage, and update software on your Windows system using the command line. One of its most useful features is the Winget Upgrade command, which helps you update installed applications effortlessly. What is Winget Upgrade? The Winget Upgrade command checks for and applies updates to applications installed on your system. This eliminates the need to manually download and update each program, saving time and ensuring your software stays up to date. How to use Winget Upgrade. 1. Check for available updates. To see which applications have updates available, 1. Open Command Prompt or PowerShell as an administrator. 2. Run the command bash winget upgrade. This will display a list of all installed applications with available updates, along with their version details. Hat 2. Update a specific application. To update a particular application, 1. Find the ID or name of the app from the list generated by Winget Upgrade. 2. Run the command bash winget upgrade AppID. Example: bash winget upgrade ID Microsoft.PowerToys. Hat 3. Update all applications. To update all applications at once, run bash winget upgrade -all. This command updates every application on your system with available updates. Name of the app from the list generated by Winget Upgrade. 2. Run the command bash winget upgrade AppID. Example: bash winget upgrade ID Microsoft.PowerToys. Hat 3. Update all applications. To update all applications at once, run bash winget upgrade -all. This command updates every application on your system with available updates. Additional options: silent installation. To update without any user prompts, use bash winget upgrade ID AppID. Interactive installation. To manually review the installation process, use bash winget upgrade -id. Interactive. Best practices. Always run the terminal as an administrator to avoid permission issues. Use Winget Upgrade all regularly to keep your system's applications up to date. For applications that require manual intervention, use the interactive option. Conclusion: the Winget Upgrade command simplifies application management on Windows by streamlining the update process. Whether you're updating a single app or all your software, this command saves time and ensures your system is running the latest versions of your tools. Make it a habit to use Winget Upgrade to keep your applications updated and secure. For more